It's a New Orleans vlog in this bitch. It's your girl Jonell Sequira XO, and I am back with another video. It's a lot of product. I'm sorry, I'm just gassing myself right now. This is the Airbnb, guys. This is the kitchen. It's a nice little kitchen. This is the living area. Stainless steel fridge, you know what I'm saying? Little Mardi Gras beads. You know what I'm saying? Best friend.
Yo, gang. Subscribe.
Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel, to her channel. I'm gonna link it down below. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be, you know, here is the bathroom. Gang. These are my braids, you guys. Oh, my twists. My twists. They're looking a mess right now, but you know, whatever. It's the shower. It's a cute little bathroom. And here is my room. What happened? All my stuff. Room. Hallway. Here is a lot of stuff. It's a mess, but you know, this is the couple's room or whatever. Yeah. You putting on makeup?
Are you?
Depends on what we do.
Me too, because I don't want to get beat for no reason.
Exactly. I'm gonna be mad.
Your rate is locked in.
I don't know.
I don't know either.
Cause it really depends on what we do. I'm gonna just get an outfit together and then.
But like the outfit I picked out, I feel like you
need to be beat. I didn't pick an outfit out yet, so.
I'm not done lying with this TV remote. It's no cable.
Wow. Fantastic.
Bro.
It's a nice little Airbnb, you know, it's a little dark, but everything in New Orleans seems to be a little dark. Let me pick out my outfit. Wow, it's so bright.
Insane.
All right, y'all, here it is. The famous po' boy. Ooh, that looks so good.
Making my way downtown.
Walking fast. Faces.
Middle.
You guys, that sandwich was so good. It was so good. Amazing. How was your sandwich?
So good. I'm not even that good.
Bro, it's so good. Amazing. I want to take New Orleans.
More wine!
Put it in my pocket. Oh, I would like some wine now, actually. Yes.
You got some wine, please, babe. Tell me how it tastes, because I kind of want wine.
I feel like it's gonna taste like a Chipotle Nature's Nectar drink. Do you need male assistance once more? Oh, you are strong, independent woman. I can't believe it. She's the Serena of our generation.
Shut up, nigga.
Came back and grandma re-moisturized itself through the humidity in the air.
I forgot that was even there recording, to be honest with you.
I'm like, I need to be recording myself.
Make it natural. Feel like a natural.
Alright,
read
so
the Franklin?
that po' boy. That po' boy was insane, y'all.
Hola! It is Tuesday, September 4th, and last night I knocked out completely. I didn't even realize that Like, yeah, just knocked out. I knocked out. I like died for a few hours. I was tired. We out here, you feel me? Big old Claude.
Dental hygiene
is very important. Floss every day. You know what I'm saying? Bling.
I got beef between my teeth. If I had flaws.
What we gonna do? We gonna eat and then we going to the graveyards.
Yeah, we going to Willie Mae's Scotch House.
Willie Mae's Scotch House.
Then we're gonna go to the graveyards on Canal.
And then we're gonna go to the graveyards on Canal. Canal.
I mean, give her the itinerary right now.
I'm not sure if I'm wearing Hirachis or sandals.
So, what are you wearing today, sir?
Alright, I got on a Fox 180 jersey, you feel me? Limited edition Sayak jersey, you feel me? Can't get this no more, you feel me? If you want to buy it, hit me up, you feel me? I got on the custom made, you feel me? These from the Gap, but you know, everything gotta hit my sewing machine, you feel me? Gotta have to taper them hoes, you feel me? No skinny jeans, but I like my leg tight, you feel me? And then, you know, got rid of all the roughness. All, you feel me? Them heels was cracked. Them heels was cracked. And then, you know, I'm gonna hit the bottom with the little Vans platform, also limited. Can't get these no more. Not even on the website. All right. Y'all good.
And we over here with Jonell Sequira XO.
You already
subscribe.
Know. Gang. I got on the Agachi shirt, okay. Agachi crop top.
Okay.
And these leggings. Where I got these leggings? I actually think I got these leggings from Agachi too.
We actually got them together.
Not sponsored by Agachi.
Hit your teeth.
Is Agachi the place that I used to call Agassi?
Yes. I still call it Agassi sometimes.
And we're gonna come over here to the mirror.
To the mirror.
Outfit today.
What you got on, sis? What you got on?
Are from Fashion Nova. These are literally my favorite pants.
Fashion
so it's
Nova
the fanny
fit.
pack too. Fashion Nova. And then the shirt is from Agassi.
Damn, look.
Adjustable settings. Bitch, how is this possible?
Streetcar. So, we are walking.
Bitch, I almost forgot.
Right? Me too. We walking around and everything's closed because they're expecting bad weather. It's supposed to be like a hurricane or a tropical storm coming tomorrow. So, yeah, that's how our day is going. But you know, it's a nice day, so it's a nice day right now. Just walking around, but we're hungry, so we gotta just get some po' boys, and you know, that's it. We at the graveyard, you feel me? March 6th, I can't read. 1920.
This gotta be a family.
Definitely.
Somebody down there. Or maybe their piece fell off and
Oh snap, they were in the army during World War II. That's wild.
Until 82 too.
Right?
Oh, that's a nice one too. I don't know what that's made of. Both of these are nice. See, I'm down with the gate around my toe. I'm so down with the gate.
This is so nice.
See, I'm bringing this back to Broward County, bro. I'm telling y'all. 1893 to 2001.
I don't know if y'all can see that. 1893
Oh my, she might have had slaves, y'all.
to 2001. Lillian Robert Medina. How old was she? 100 and...
She might have been a witch, y'all.
She might have been a witch. She was doing that voodoo.
Bruh, it's like I feel like I'm the dad in this situation.
Hey, niggas was.
That's when he had that Lincoln, that Pearl Lincoln.
Yeah, that was like a couch on wheels.
Bro, you used to have a whole back seat, just laid on.
You don't know what I really was.
About to get some Hanson snow cones, the best snow cones ever apparently. It's lit. So good.
Are you liking blueberry?
I am.
Gift shop? I might need to go in a gift shop, I'm not gonna lie.
I feel you, actually. Wow. Hi, how are you? Camera's about to die, but we got some hand grenades, frozen. Oh, okay. You about to get lit off some hand grenades, you feel me? Frozen. So we're back at the crib.
Cooling it, cooling.
Back at the crib. We had a nice little outing, you know. Went to the graveyard. Went to Bourbon Street. Got some hand grenades. Got snow cones from Hanson's. It's a good day, you know. And now we're just gonna prepare for this little tropical storm or whatever, you know.
I'll check into it.
Yeah, that's it, guys. I'm gonna take a shower. I'll see you later.